10 Ways to manipulate a narcissist. Keeping the peace with a narcissist. Interacting with a narcissist can be challenging and emotionally draining. However, understanding effective strategies for navigating these encounters can help you maintain your sanity and minimize conflict. In this informative video, we explore 10 unique and practical ways to manage interactions with a narcissist, promoting harmony and self-preservation while dealing with their manipulative tendencies. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. 1. Set clear boundaries. Establishing firm boundaries is crucial when dealing with a narcissist. Communicate what behaviors are acceptable and unacceptable to you. Be assertive and consistent in enforcing these boundaries, ensuring that you protect your well-being and emotional health. 2. Stay grounded in reality. Narcissists are skilled at distorting reality and creating false narratives. Stay grounded in the truth by relying on facts, evidence, and objective observations. Refuse to be swayed by their gaslighting tactics and hold on to your perception of reality. 3. Practice emotional detachment. Detach emotionally from the narcissist's attempts to provoke and manipulate. Focus on developing emotional resilience by practicing self-care, seeking support, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Emotional detachment allows you to respond with clarity and maintain your emotional well-being. 4. Avoid engaging in power struggles. Narcissists thrive on power struggles and control. Refrain from engaging in these battles, as it only fuels their manipulation tactics. Instead, choose your battles wisely and focus on preserving your peace and maintaining control over your own emotions and reactions. 5. Use calm and assertive communication. When communicating with a narcissist, maintain a calm and assertive demeanor. Clearly express your thoughts and feelings using I statements, focusing on the impact their behavior has on you rather than attacking or blaming them. This approach helps to diffuse conflict and maintain healthy communication. 6. Don't take their behavior personally. Remember that a narcissist's behavior is not a reflection of your worth or value. Their actions stem from their insecurities and need for control. Refrain from internalizing their criticisms or manipulations, and instead, prioritize your self-worth and self-esteem. 7. Practice empathy, with caution. While narcissists lack empathy, practicing empathy towards them can help you understand their motives and manipulations better. However, exercise caution and set boundaries to protect yourself from being further exploited or harmed emotionally. 8. Limit exposure and interaction. Minimize your exposure to the narcissist whenever possible. If you must interact, keep interactions brief and focused on practical matters. Reduce opportunities for them to engage in manipulation and maintain control over their own time and space. 9. Seek support and validation. Building a support network of understanding friends, family, or professionals can provide validation and emotional grounding. Share your experiences and seek guidance from those who have dealt with narcissistic individuals. Their support can help you navigate difficult situations and maintain your sanity. 10. Focus on self-care and personal growth. Invest time and energy in self-care practices that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Engage in activities that promote personal growth, such as therapy, mindfulness practices, and pursuing your passions. By focusing on your well-being, you strengthen your resilience in dealing with narcissistic manipulation. Conclusion. Interacting with a narcissist requires strategic planning and emotional fortitude. By setting clear boundaries, staying grounded in reality, practicing emotional detachment, avoiding power struggles, using calm and assertive communication, not taking their behavior personally, practicing empathy with caution, limiting exposure, seeking support, and prioritizing self-care, you can navigate these challenging interactions with greater ease. Remember, your well-being is paramount, and by employing these strategies, you can maintain your peace while managing interactions with a narcissist. Thank you for watching.